that moment, if you believe that if you do absolutely nothing, you're either going to die or you're going to suffer great bodily harm, a broken bone, getting thrown to the ground and just getting pummeled. If you believe that you do absolutely nothing, you may be justified to use any force necessary, including deadly force. So whenever I say that, people will respond with,
yeah, but if the attacker's unarmed, you can't do that.
Unarmed does not mean undangerous, okay? If someone simply doesn't have a weapon in their hands, it doesn't mean they can't cause harm. So let me put it to you like this. Disparity of force. Let's make it obvious at first. There is